Very cool, very cool. All right, question number 9. What does success look like to you, Amanda? You look pretty successful from the outside world with all these developments and so forth, but what does success look like to you?
So for me, is a quote that really captures my holistic view of success. And it's interesting that it's a quote that was read to me that I learned about before I left my last job. The last company that I worked for were really great at investing in their staff about mindset and a bit of philosophy and things like that. So the quote that I'm going to read is Ralph Waldo Emerson. I'm sure you might know this. I'm not sure if you know this one, but it says, "To laugh often and much, to win the respect of intelligent people and the affection of children, to earn the appreciation of honest critics and endure the betrayal of false friends, to appreciate beauty, to find the best in others, to leave the world a bit better, whether that be by a healthy child, a garden patch, or a deemed social condition. To know that even one life is breathed easier because you have lived. This is to have succeeded."
That's great. Who was that by?
It's Ralph Waldo Emerson.
Love it.
Yeah, it's pretty well, isn't it?
Thank you very much.